The National Ministers of Defense and Information have condemned Monday's extrajudicial killing of 4 men in Mayam County of Unity State. Minister of Information, Michael Makuei, said the culprits will be brought to book. As a government, we condemn what happened in Mayam. We condemn it in the strongest possible terms, and action will be taken against those who committed such atrocity, and they will be apprehended and brought to the book. On Monday, 4 men believed to be loyal to Stephen Buer were extradited to South Sudan by the Sudanese intelligence personnel. Major Nyuan Garang Kul, Major General Per Aruap Kul and another unidentified officer were paraded and executed by firing squad. The victims were tied together and blindfolded before they were shot dead by soldiers in SSPDF uniforms. The last man, identified as Brigadier General Gatluak Magiok, was also burned alive inside a grass-thatched hut in what appeared to be an abandoned village. The execution, captured in a video footage and widely shared on social media, prompted the military leadership in Juba to call an emergency meeting. On Tuesday, the Chief of Defense Forces vowed to hold accountable those involved in the extrajudicial killing in Mayam County of Unity State. General Santino Dengwol also directed an investigation into the incident to ensure the perpetrators are held accountable, saying the incident is unacceptable. Meanwhile, the government spokesperson said the country is governed by law and all the laws must be respected. Makuei also vowed action against those who committed such an atrocious act and that they will be apprehended and brought to the book. For her part, the Minister of Defense, Angelina, condemned the extrajudicial killing after meeting President Salva Kiir yesterday. Angelina said the Ministry of Defense and SSPDF didn't order the execution. We have military justice. When someone is arrested and they are culprits, the due process takes place, they are investigated, tried and the trial passes the judgment. We don't do summary execution, she said.